The most beautiful blue clear water you'll ever see. Yeah, not here. Due to the rain. Flooding this up. Anyways. What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another video with me, Caster with Cass. The clip you just saw before is actually the San Marcos River. It's a dam in my town, so there it's usually more of a green color, not really too bad. Nice catfish and carp and freshwater drum down there. Every now and then you get a striper or a largemouth bass. So if you'd like for me to come back and you would like for me to hit up this area and try to catch more of, I guess, of the carp, catfish, or any of the freshwater drums, they're nice sizes. They're between an average, since I fished here, between, like, I guess 5 to 8 pounds, so they're pretty good ones. But anyways, if you'd like for me to hit that up, give me a thumbs up, like, comment. If you're new, subscribe. Everything is free. Just click it. If you don't like it later on, unsubscribe. You know, hook me up, help me out. Anyways, the videos that I'm about to show, they're actually already throughout the month of May, because it just been a crazy with weather and work and just everything going on. It was so hard to try to fit something in, but I tried to squeeze in fishing as much as I could. And sometimes I ended up being skunked, which I'm gonna be real, I got skunked sometimes. I caught like a fish and I just bounced because I was happy that I caught one. So yeah, it's gonna go from just being from ponds all the way to my last location was the lake. But yeah, coming up is Memorial Day, so I'm gonna have a Memorial Day weekend. I'm gonna have about 4 days to get some fishing done. So hopefully that content will be coming out. And so if by the time I put this out, it might be Memorial Day weekend already, just kind of editing and everything. So let's get to it. And just I hope you like I said, I was trying to edit everything and try to make a nice video. But anyways, let's get to it and yeah, see what I get out there. Here we go. Go ahead and start off with a little this is black and blue crack signals from the vertical lures, one of the ones you've probably seen in the mystery tackle box a couple months ago or whenever it came out. But yeah, go ahead and try this on. The water's kind of muddy. See if we can get out here. Yeah, it's been a long while since I've fished out here. Man, actually, reality, I was actually with my kids, so they're the ones doing the fishing. I was just helping them out and trying to help them catch the. I really didn't think the water's gonna be this brown. With brought more of a color that could be visible. And all I had was, as far as my darker colors, was that black and blue.
All right, this is a different spot from the previous places I was at. This is probably like spot number 3 or 4, I don't remember, but right now I'm going weightless, a little yum dinger. This is a little piece already broken off of this one, a little chartreuse end. If you can barely hear me, sorry, it's kind of windy. You can tell the interstate's right there in front of me, so I have that noise and I have the wind. See a little grassy area, water's kind of brown and stained, so we're gonna see what we can get right here. Oh, that was a bad flip. Got one. Heck yeah. That's what I'm talking about. That first cast. All right. Hit that kind of hard and I hooked them twice. There we go. Look at that. All right. Give me a little picture. Yes, I know they're in this little area, so I might stay here for a little bit. All right. Finally got to breaking my new reel. That's what I'm talking about, little bitty one. All right, here we go. Here we go. We are actually here. If you can see, it's a nice setup. You have rocks all that pretty much go all the way around it. As far as what I can see, I mean, when you look all the way around, it looks pretty good. Clarity of the water, I'd say about, as far as right here, about a good 2 feet. And again, that's with looking through a polarized sunglasses. You know, as you have this high grass over here, I mean, yeah, it's looking nice. So let's see what we can get out here. Go ahead and try this white crack and crawl. If you want to go throw it near that grass, which I might do. See what's over here though. I know it's a good distance, but that pier way out there near those orange buoys, yeah, that's where I was actually under that bridge, under that pier, when I caught that little great. some cold water. I'm gonna pause real quick, just kind of explain this short clip. This was actually done the day prior when I kind of went to go scope out the area of that lake, and I was kind of just throwing it in, see what kind of reaction I got. And this was actually under a pier. And so this was, like I said, this was done the day prior before the actual main videos you see. Pretty much this is just me releasing it. I caught it. It was off the GoPro. I didn't have it on. Like I said, I was trying to get a reaction, see what was going to happen, what was going on. This was the second location of where I had started from that day. Caught them, released them. That's pretty much it. So after the video plays, I'm pretty much going to roll it into the outro. But I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Everybody have a safe and good Memorial Day weekend. Remember what it's about. And pretty much just be careful. And I'll see you on the next one. Sorry, didn't get to have the GoPro on, but rainy day, finally back at fishing. And it's about probably maybe the 4th or 5th cast. Well, the first one on the worm. Other one was a little swim bait, and looks like I kind of know what they got because he was hitting this one pretty hard. Here we go, back at it again after several days of rain here in Texas. But here we go. Go ahead and get a release on this guy.